Hello, today we will be making black bean and lime burritos. This is an affordable and nutritious dish that is packed with fiber, protein, and vitamins. Before we start, be sure to wash your hands and ensure that your equipment is clean. First, we slice a yellow bell pepper and a red bell pepper, making sure to salvage as much as we can from each to reduce waste. Next, we have our onion, which we will cut into long, thin slices. Once cut, it can be combined with the bell peppers. When combining the onions and the bell peppers, also add in the sliced mushrooms. We will then mince our garlic and set it aside. Once the garlic is finished cooking, we will put a bit of olive oil in the pan and let it get warm over medium-high heat. Once the oil is warm, we will add the onions, peppers, and sliced mushrooms. While that's cooking, we will make our spice blend, combining 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Next, we will mix it up and add ground black pepper to taste. Then we'll mix it up again to make sure it's all evenly distributed. Now, going back to our vegetables, once the onion, peppers, and mushrooms have cooked, go ahead and add the garlic and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Once the garlic is done cooking, add the spice blend, stirring frequently as to not burn the mixture for about 1 minute. Next, we will reduce the heat to medium-low and add a can of black beans. Stir and allow it to cook until all is warm. While the filling is cooking, prepare the lime. Now, squeeze half the lime into the filling. Serve in a large tortilla shell and add any additional ingredients that you would like, such as cheese, pico de gallo, or rice. Enjoy!